In this video, you'll learn how to create multiple Phantom wallets. By following these steps, you will be able to manage different wallets for various purposes, enhancing your overall experience with the Phantom application. Begin by opening the Phantom application on your device. If you are using a mobile device, locate the Phantom icon and tap it to launch the app. For desktop users, find the Phantom extension in your browser and click to open it. Ensure that you are logged into your primary wallet before proceeding. Next, look for the settings option, which is represented by a gear icon. On mobile devices, this icon is typically found in the bottom right corner of the screen. On desktop, it may appear in the sidebar. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. Once you are in the settings menu, scroll down the list of options until you find Add Connect Wallet. This option is designed to help you manage additional wallets. Click on Add Connect Wallet to continue. After selecting Add Connect Wallet, you will see a prompt with different options for creating or connecting wallets. Choose the option labeled Create New Wallet. This initiates the process of setting up a separate wallet. Upon selecting Create New Wallet, the application will generate a new wallet along with a unique secret recovery phrase. It is crucial to securely store this phrase, as it is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. Remember that this new wallet is completely separate from your first wallet, allowing you to manage distinct assets independently. Once the new wallet is created, you can switch between your wallets at any time by returning to the settings. This flexibility allows you to organize your transactions according to your needs. Ensure that you regularly check your wallet balances and manage your assets effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.